Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to change alphanumeric password to pin lock password on our phone Samsung Galaxy A15. I have already set alphanumeric password on my phone. When I lock my phone and unlock my phone, it will ask my my password, that is alphanumeric password. Here my alphanumeric password Risha 2018. And click on done. Here incorrect password, you have to type exact password to unlock your phone. Yes, now I would like to change from this alphanumeric password to pin password in my phone. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to lock screen and click on screen lock type and type your current alphanumeric password for confirmation and authentication. Confirm your password. Type your current alphanumeric password. Here my password Richard 2018 and click on continue. Now you have to click on pin here and type any pin that you want to set. Here I would like to set 2001. Click on continue. Again type the same pin to verify. Click on OK. Yes, your pin is set now. Your pin is set from alphanumeric password. Okay, you have changed your password from alphanumeric to pin. Okay, now lock your phone and try to open your phone. It will ask your current pin. Now current pin is 2001. Click on OK. Yes, it has been changed now. In this way you can easily change from alphanumeric password to pin lock password on your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.